What's up, everybody? This is the 8 to 5 trader giving you guys my trades for today. Today is June 15, 2018, and today I ended up realized 151 with a net P&L of 102.38 with $44.55 in commissions. Today I made two trades. I made a trade on Goose and IQ. At pre-market, Goose pushed up pretty high. Let's see. I don't know where we are now, what the percentage was, but right before the open, I was looking at these two wicks right here. We pushed up, but we didn't get a chance to make a new high. So at the open, I was watching for a possible breakdown. It got called out in the chat room, but Andrew, the moderator, was looking to take this to the long side. Luckily, he didn't. But the price action after the first five, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At minute 6, I was looking for this to move to the downside. I took 200 shares. No, I took 100 shares to minimize the risk because this thing had a pretty good, decent range on it. Had I took 200 shares and went the other way, probably would have lost $100 pretty quick. So I took 100 shares with the anticipation of adding more at VWAP. But at the time, VWAP was a little bit higher up, but the price action moved so fast it broke down, and I got a really late entry right here, second entry, and I took 100 shares. So I had 200 shares to the downside. And I ended up covering my position at the bottom of this 1 minute counter right here. So that was a nice little gain. I went ahead and closed it all out because of this. Actually, the reason I closed the trade out was because of the 20 moving average here on the 5 minute. You can see right here, got a pretty good exit right here. So after the price action started to consolidate, I was thinking it still had more room to go. After we got the close below the 20, after we got the close below this 20 on the 5 minute, I went ahead and took it short again. I think I took 100 shares again. Yeah, I was looking for that move to the downside again because we made a new low on the 1 minute. I'm thinking we're going to go ahead and fade back down, but I ended up covering the position after I felt like the price action was trying to squeeze and recover some of that big drop because this drop was very violent, so I figured we'd get a little pullback. But we ended up coming back down right here, and I got the perfect entry right here for 100 shares with a move to the downside, and I covered right here. And what ended up happening here, I was hoping, well, no, I ended up covering this. Once we got to the low of day, I decided to go ahead and close it. But if you follow my strategy, had I followed my strategy, I normally wouldn't have covered till the break of this moving average right here. And I ultimately just closed it out too early, and we ended up bouncing off the 200 moving average on the 1 minute. So I left 2 points on the table, and I ended up getting $239 out of it. My next trade was IQ, and I think I was trading that second Goose trade around the same time. But I went short 200 shares. I was anticipating the price action to break back down. Price action pushed down at the open, and it squeezed up. So I was looking for it to come back down, but I went 200 shares. I went a little too heavy on this in the beginning. I should have only taken 100 shares and possibly added more right here. But the price action ended up selling off right after. I tend to always do this, but price action sold off after I got out. I went 200 shares at the break of VWAP, looking for the pushback down the previous day. to the low of the day, and I ended up let's see, 39.25, and I got out at 39.69. So I lost 44 cents on that. So that's $88 loss. I lost a lot on that. I should only took 100 shares and just added more, possibly right here on the way down. This is what I should have. So I think it was a good entry. I just think I took too big of a size, but I ended up losing 88 on that. But I ended up coming out 151 realized. So it was a good day, good way to end the week. We're going to come back strong next week, but 102 realized, well, 102 net P&L. I think it's some good trades. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. So I will see y'all next week.